arguing. Balancing bears, better beware. Curious cats, climbing in circles. Daredevil dogs, devil may care. Enormous elephants, eating everything in sight. Flying frogs, in formation. Gigantic giraffe, good to go. Hilarious hippo, ho ho ho. I spy an ibis and two jolly jumping jaguars. Kangaroo, keen on kindness. Lazy lions, lying about. Miserable moose, morose and moody. Nautical narwhals, nuzzling noses. Orbiting otter, over and out. Portly pigs, in position. Queenly quail, quietly quivering. Rubbery rabbits, rock and roll. Slippery snakes. Twin tigers, whirling tricks. Unusual unicorn in his underwear. Valentine viper, very volatile. Wiggly worm, wiggling, waggling. Excuse me, sir, have you ever seen a xenosaur? Yakety yak, 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 yak. Zany zebra, zip zap zoo. A through Z, it's so easy. A through Z, sing with me. Yeah. This is our alphabet song, rather short, not too long. This is our alphabet song, rather short, not too long. This is our alphabet song, rather short, not too long. This is our alphabet song, rather short, not too long. This is our alphabet song, rather short, not too long. This is our alphabet song, rather short, not too long. This is our alphabet song, rather short, and not too long.
CYXWVUT SRQPONM LKJIHG FEDCBA. Now I know my backward song, I could sing it all day long.